Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe. I'm bringing you this wig review today for pinkypromise.com. Today we're going to take a look at this cute new style by Belle Tress. This is Morning Storm, and the color on this one is British Milk Tea. More on her in just a minute. Let's start taking a look at this cute little wig. This is Morning Storm, and I think that she is really an adorable little style. So she is a middle mono part, and she does have a lace front, even though she has a bang. And the bangs, I have to say, yay, they're not driving me crazy. So they are 4.5 inches, and I think that to wear this wig, I would want to shorten them just a little bit, but they're light and they're wispy. And the nice thing about the bang is if you're not a center part fan, you can direct your bang to one side or the other and give it more of the appearance of having a side part. So, and I like that. So I just think she's really, really cute. So her layers here in the front are just slightly longer, but it's not crazy. So not really, I wouldn't say this is one of those inverted ones. They just put a little extra length, I think, on these front sides. And then they stacked her just a little bit in the back so that the curls, the waves, they're not really curls, they're waves, just to give them a little bit more volume. And I think she's really cute, but no permatease. She's average size. She's fitting my petite head pretty nicely. I do need to pull the adjusters in, but ear to ear, she fits well. Forehead to nape, there's, extra room, which is to be expected since she is an average size wig. And then, like I said, for my circumference, I just pulled the adjusters in a little bit. So really, really cute. So I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around. Cute little summer style. Okay, back to the front. All right, so we can take a look at her lace. So lace front looks very nice with this British Milk Tea. It's got these light highlights going through it, and they lighten the knots up going towards the lace front. Their knots have gotten very tiny and just really, really nice. And then I'll show you this middle part here. These parts have also been easier to open. So this one, I don't think I got it completely because these little layers keep wanting to go back into the zigzag. And it's kind of hard to see the part on this root. But it did open, much easier than what I have found their wigs to be in the past. In the past, I've had a lot of trouble opening their parts, and I've heard from you all in the comments that you feel the same way. So, she's cute, isn't she? Okay, so let's look at her measurements. So this bang there's one little long layer that wants to be in the bang. You don't get to be in the bang. You go back further. There you go. Okay, this is the bang. No, it's still there. 4.5 inches on the bang. She has 9-inch sides. She has a 2-inch nape. And then they give her an overall measurement of 8.5 to 9 inches. So I'm guessing that as we go back from this side layer right here, it's more like 8.5. So that's what I'm talking about. They just added a little extra little 1/2 inch here at the front, just to, I don't know, it looks I think it looks better when they add a little more length right around the face. So it looks really cute. And then weight-wise, she is 3.1 ounces. So she's very, very lightweight. So super cute. She's got great movement. Did I say no permatease? There's no permatease. Belle Tress never put permatease in their wigs anymore. So just very, very natural density. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior cap. Okay, so here is that middle mono part. Around that, you just have closed lace, no permatease, like I said. That part does go back to the crown, which is really nice. So here at the lace front, this is where I'm talking about. You can't really do anything but middle part on this narrow mono part, but going towards the front, you could definitely direct the hair one way or the other if you wanted to have more of a side part appearance. So she does have an extended lace front that gives you that true temple to temple coverage. She has a soft felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal in there. A little bit of hair sewn on the inside so that, makes it so they aren't sparse around those ear tabs, which is nice. Open wefted cap. She doesn't have an extended nape. With a 2-inch nape, she doesn't need one. She does have the pull adjusters. Plenty of stretch in the cap. and stretching the circumference as well. Okay, I do want to show you the ear tabs real quick. So ear tabs look good, nice and flush against my face, you know, very thin and comfortable. So good ear tabs. Okay, so this is the color British Milktea. This is such a pretty interesting color. It does have, I describe it as neutral to cool. I know a lot of you who like to wear cool colors really gravitate towards this color. I just think it's a very pretty and interesting color. And again, it's not one that I thought I would be able to wear, but I kind of like it on me, so it's not bad. So anyway, so the color inspiration comes from a cup of tea with a splash of milk in it, which is what British Milktea is. So the description for the color is a blend of dark beige blonde and light brown with a medium brown root. So you can definitely see that beige blonde going through there. There's that light brown, and then here's your rooting. I think the rooting color works really nicely with the rest of the colors that are in the style. You know, it's not too dark. I like the way it just slowly diffuses into the rest of the colors. It's got a lot of dimension, just really pretty. I like the way the bangs look on this too, because they have a little bit of the dark color, and then they go into, you know, having these really light colors all through the bangs. So just they continued that color distribution through the bang, which I think looks really cool. Okay, let's go check it out outside. So this is British Milktea outdoors under my patio cover. You can see that beige blonde. See that medium brown root. I'll show you the lace front. Here we are in shaded light. See the rooting color. Into the sun. Okay, I went ahead and put her back in a headband just because I wanted to get the bangs adjusted perfectly, and I figured trying to do that on camera would be kind of a challenge. So here she is, and you can really see that wispy bang when I pull all that hair out of the way. Might be a little more bang up in there, but you know, what's up in there is staying back in that headband just fine. So you could definitely just get a wispy bang. I think you could attempt to keep the bangs back in the headband, but I'm afraid over time they're gonna start, you know, popping out of there. So, but that's what she looks like in a headband. So of course, you can also just stick the headband in, stick a scarf in, you know, if you wanna do that. So we'll look at glasses. Surprisingly, she's not hard to tuck behind the ear either, so that's one way that you could wear her. And again, your bangs are going to be out, you know, around your face. So glasses go on no problem, you know, nice thin ear tabs, easy to work with. You can put the glasses up on your head, no problem. I just tuck the hair first and then put the glasses up. Of course, sometimes with a style like this, I just stick my glasses right in it. So but really, really cute. So if you wanted to get the bang off of your forehead, you could get a hold of those and, you know, kind of direct some of this hair around the lace front. You just want to make sure that you don't expose that edge there, but you know, you could clip it over to get those bangs off your face a little bit. Because since you do have a lace front with the style, that's kind of nice. It would have to be clipped really close to the bang, but you know, you could do that. And other than that, I mean, you could clip her right behind the ear if you want to, just to pull her back. But as far as like, she doesn't have the length really, not much of that hair. I mean, I can hold it back there, but you know, these are gonna slowly start coming out. I don't know, that might look kind of cute. Let's play around with that. Well, I guess you could do that. You could clip it and just know that you're going to have some hair that's going to come out of it. That looks kind of cute, actually. I think with a, you know, like with a claw clip, I think that would hold that. So that looks kind of cute. So, you know, and then of course, little clips up in the hair and stuff like that. You can always do clip some, you know, up like that or whatever. So she does have some versatility for styling, but I think she's really cute. And you know how I usually am with styles with bangs. I usually hate them. I don't hate them, I'm just kidding. But you know, I usually have some complaints. And I'm happy with this little bang. I think that hopefully we're seeing an improvement in their bangs from some of the others that I have had to struggle with a little bit. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There'll be purchase information in the drop-down box down below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.